Hey guys, welcome to week 7. Hope you had a good week of stuff. You still doing those things day by day? Don't cram them all into one day. It doesn't work that way. It's like doing 1,000 sit-ups in one day. It'll give you like some kind of a liver condition or something. Anyway, this is something you want to do each day. So pause it, pop quiz 5, give it a whirl, unpause it when you're ready to check your answers. Okay. We got a 16 here for the first one with 3 zeros. That's going to be 16,000 here. We got 144 and 2 zeros, 14,400. This is a division, so we got a 12, 1 0, 120. This is a 7 and 2 zeros, 700. Excuse me, 2 zeros, 700. This will be 33, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, or approximately okay. You got that. All right. This is over 1. It's a 6. This is going to be a 50. 50 times 6, 300. This over twice 5. Over twice 80. 80 times 5, 400. 53 times 7 is 350 plus 21, or 371. 92 times 6 is 540 plus 12, 552. And this, of course, is the same thing. That's another 552. You just have to make it reasonable. That's going to be 55.2. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's warm up quickly. Pause this and do as much as you can mentally. Those are the trick numbers in case you need to look at your notes. So finish them up accurate and as fast and mental as you can. Go ahead, pause it. All right, number 1, 0.3 times 2,000 is the same thing as 3 times 200, 600. 80% of 1,100, 0.8 times 11,000 is the same thing as 8 times 1,100, or 8,800. 32% of 6,000 is 0.32 times 6,000, or 32 times twice over 60. 32 times 60, don't do 32 times 60, 32 times 6, what's that? 192. Add the 0 at the end, 1920. That's your answer. Okay, and this is one of those funky ones, okay? 70% of what number is 350? It can be both ways. Way 1 is to go 70%, 0.7, of what number, x, is 350 equals 350. There we go. Divide by 0.7, which is the same thing as dividing 7 into 3,500, which is going to be 500. There's your answer, all right? The other method, if you want, is to go fraction equals fraction and fill in the blanks. 70% is a piece of cake. That's 7 out of 10. There's 2 of the blanks. The only question is what number in 350? That's the one you can, if you mess up, you'll get the wrong answer, okay? Well, draw a picture. 70% of some number, okay? That's 70%. I think that's more like 68.4% though, that picture. Anyway, okay. That's 70% right there. And that number is 350. So obviously the entire number is going to be more than 350, right? So the more number is on the bottom here, the more number is going to be on there, and there you go. You can mentally go 7 times what gives you 350 and say 50. So 10 times 50 is 500, just like we said. Or you can cross multiply and get 7x equals 3,500, then do the division. There you go. Okay. All right. Trick 10 is calculating tips. Calculating tips. I mean, 15%. Okay. That's, for decent service, I think. Okay, here's a fun, simple way to do that that doesn't require a phone. Okay, number 1, find half of your bill amount. Round up, kind of round to the nearest dollar. So find half your bill amount. Then add that to your original bill amount. And again, kind of, we're estimating here, roughly rounding up here. Okay, add a decimal or zeros as you need. That's it. Not too many zeros, You need to make sure you get that reasonable. All right. Okay. All right. So how much is a 15% tip on a $30 bill? Well, the first thing you do is you go, okay, what's half of 30? 15. 30 plus 15 is 45. Well, I don't think you're going to be given a $45 tip on a $30 bill. So the actual 15% is $4.50. I wouldn't do that. I'd probably give $5 if it was halfway, if it was acceptable or whatever. So, yeah, you're not going to go, I've got it. My tip is $3.94. Waitress, do you have change for? No, just give her $4 or whatever it is. Okay. How much is a tip on a $45.93 bill? And what we're going to do is you're going to go, okay, it's $46. Let's just call it. So half of 46 is 23. Add that to the 46. Now do this in your head, okay? It's $69. All right? Well, make something reasonable out of that. So, I mean, you're not going to tip that, much on that bill. $6.90 and 80 cents. Waitress, do you have a dime? I need to give you a dime. Just give her $7 or $8 if she 10 or whatever. She was nice. So, or no, wait, not waitress. Sorry, that's not a server. Why is the word server supposed to be more acceptable than a waitress? A server sounds like some kind of a servant. I mean, I serve you. I don't understand these times. Okay. All right. Try these two. Pause it and try both of them and see what you get. Okay. I'm going to go $22. Half of that's 11. 22 plus 11 is 33. So whatever that looks like, that's your actual tip. I'd probably say like $4. This one is 14. Half of 14 is 7. 7 plus 14 is 21. So it's $2.10. That's kind of up to you how you want to handle that. But I wouldn't give anybody a dime, for heaven's sakes, Anyway. All right. Pause it and try these two. Okay. And again, half of this is 21. So you go 21 plus 42, 63, $6.30. But I'd say like 7 if it was adequate service or whatever. Same thing here. This is going to be 80. Half of that's 40. 40 plus 80 is 120. Now I wouldn't, I would say an average tip would be $12 then in that case. Okay. All right. You're going to go to the link below on the description of the video and go to homeschoolpartners.net/math tips and head down to that week and get the practice sheet. And that will do it for this week. Do the entire thing, then check your answers and then figure out what you need to work on. And we will see you guys next week. Have a great week.